Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 4, Shloka number 27. sarvāṇīndriya-karmāṇi prāṇa-karmāṇi chāpare ātma-samyama-yogāgnau juhvati jñāna-dīpite. Supreme Lord Shri Krishna says, others who are interested in achieving self-realization through control of the mind and senses offer the functions of all the senses and the life breath as oblations into the fire of the controlled mind. Control of the ego by better understanding of the divine behind. It is called ātma-samyama-yoga, that is, the yoga of self-restraint. Jnana is compared to light. By sense control and self-control, the light of knowledge shines brightest. On the other side, by discrimination and knowledge of the self, the mind is brought under control. Therefore, here it is said that self-control is illuminated by knowledge. All the activities of sense organs, jñāna-indriyas, and the organs of action, prāṇa-indriyas, are offered into the knowledge-kindled fire of right understanding. sarvāṇīndriya-karmāṇi, karma of all the senses, are offered. Also offered is prāṇa-karmāṇi, the activities of pranavayu. In pranayama, the breathing is regulated, and as a means to regulate the breathing, turn the consciousness inward. In the process of Ashtanga Yoga, there is a stage called pratyahara, where one cuts off all the senses because their process is to turn consciousness inward. Ātma-samyama-yogāgnau. They are self-controlled. They are trying to turn inwards in the fire of inward mind, juhvati jñāna-dīpite, because they are illuminated by knowledge and because of the urge of self-realization. Because of knowledge, they realize that real knowledge is not outward but is inward. In the Yoga Shastra of Patanjali, the soul is called pratyagatma and paragatma. As long as the soul is attached to sense enjoyments, it is called paragatma. But as soon as the same soul becomes detached from such sense enjoyment, it is called pratyagatma. The soul is subjected to the functions of 10 kinds of air at work within the body, and this is perceived through the breathing system. The senses interact with the sense objects, like the ear for hearing, eyes for seeing, nose for smelling, tongue for tasting, hands for touching, and all of them are thus engaged in activities outside the self. They are called the functions of the prāṇavayu. The apanavayu goes downwards. Vyanavayu acts to shrink and expand. Samanavayu adjusts equilibrium. Udanavayu goes upwards. And when one is enlightened, one engages all these in searching for self-realization. Prāṇavayu is one of the vayu, and prāṇa is also a generic word to describe all the vayus. Important principle is whole process of Vayu is directed inwards. Nowadays, people use Anulom Vilom. By practicing this, respiratory disorder will go away. Similarly, by doing something else, other diseases will go away. But the point here is, all these regulations of life airs is to turn our consciousness inwards. The idea conveyed here is that by stopping all activities, the masters concentrate the mind on the self. Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna.